Hammaga birdek to'g'ri keladigan, hammaga birdek yoqadigan A520 masajli kreslo uyimiz. Bu masajli kreslo uyimizdan narxlari ham hamma chiqqan, masaj qilishi ham hammaga to'g'ri keladigan modelimiz hisoblanadi. Videoni oxirigacha o'tkazib borib ko'rsangiz, narxlarni eng funksiyalarini aytib o'taman.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all.
Do'konimizga kelib, undan so'mlarga qilib beramiz. Modelimizning narxlarini aytib o'tdim. Bemalol dastlabki qo'shimcha bo'ladi. Dastlabki xizmatlarimizda butun O'zbekiston bo'ylab ishlaymiz. Do'konlarimizda ertalabki soat 9 dan kechki soat 8 gacha bo'ladi. Do'konlarimizda xayrli